example of how MVC can help transform a difficult situation. I was working with a community group recently, and there was a conflict between different members of the group. And the conflict got to the stage, it rumbled on for many months, unresolved, when one person was saying, I am not talking to the other person. No, we're done talking. We are done dialoguing. And for me, someone who works with conflict and as mediation, it's kind of like, oh, how do we work here? But thanks to MVC, I can just be present to the fact that that person doesn't want to dialogue. They're in a place where they don't want to talk. And we start there. It's like, okay, you don't want to talk. Are you okay to talk to me? And she said, yeah, sure. So we had, an hour, not more than that, of talking and of providing a space for her to share what was going on for her, where I was listening without any judgment, not trying to educate or change her experience, getting to her needs so that she felt some kind of acknowledgement and validation. And then at the end of it, she said, well, you've given me the courtesy of listening. I'm going to do that for the other person. So just the power of listening without any pressure to go towards dialogue. Actually, we did get towards dialogue, and we did have a really helpful further dialogue with the other person.